Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're going to walk through how you can automatically translate your posts or pages using the Google Translate widget with the Polylang AI add-on. Alright, first things first, make sure you've installed and activated both the Polylang plugin and the Auto Poly add-on. Once that's done, just head over to your dashboard and navigate to the Pages or Posts section. Now just go ahead and edit any page that you want to translate. Okay, so on the right hand side of the editor, you'll see the Language Settings tab. From here, simply choose the language you want to translate your content into. Now you'll notice a prompt asking if you want to duplicate the original page content. Yeah, just go ahead and click on Translate Now. Next, you'll need to select Google Translate widget as your translation provider. At this point, a new tab will open up. Here, just pick your desired translation language from the drop-down. Alright, once you do that, the translation process will start. Just give it a few moments. Okay, so now the translation is complete. Update the content. And yeah, make sure to quickly review everything and adjust anything if needed before publishing page. That's it. Your entire page is now translated into your selected language using the Google Translate widget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.